An exponential function is a function that can be expressed in the form f of x is equal to b to the power x. Notice that x is above, not below, in which b is positive and not 1. If b is 1, 1 to the power x is always 1. So f of x is equal to 1 always. A horizontal straight line will be its graph. Not interesting, not a special function. Therefore, we don't take 1 to be in place of b. b is called the base of this function. So the base cannot be negative, the base cannot be 1. The base cannot be 0. And you should also note that x is called, in this b to the power x expression, b is called the base, x is called the exponent. Graph the exponential function y is equal to 2 to the power x, f of x is equal to 2 to the power x. So the graph of this is the two-dimensional. In the two-dimensional plane, x will be drawn horizontal, f of x will be vertical. Usually we write y instead of f of x. Okay, see this table. The first column represents the first column contains 7 values of x. Second column, their corresponding values. F of negative 3 is equal to 1 over 8. Yes. F of negative 3 is equal to 2 to the power negative 3. 2 to the power negative 3 is 2 to the power 1 over 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 1 over 8. Therefore, this one. Similarly, 2 to the power negative 2 is 1 by 4. Here, 2 to the power negative 3. Here. 2 to the power negative 2, this y, x value negative 2, y value 1/4. And this y on the graph, x value negative 1, y value 1/2. Y value 1/2. So on. 2 to the power 0 is 1. So if x is 1, y is, if x is 0, y is 1. Therefore, the y-intercept is 1. If x is 1, 2 to the power x is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Going up, up, up. So, you see fx increases as x increases. If you move to the right along the straight line, you will be going up, and that means increasing. The graph has a y-intercept 1. You have seen this. If x is 0 to if x is 0, b to the power 0 is 1 always. And the domain is all possible x values, as you can see in the graph. You can enter any value in x, negative, 0, positive, any value. So domain is the set of all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity, or you can write R. Its range is the set of y values of the graph. As you see, all y values are positive. All y values are positive above x axis, not below. And as you see, x is equal to 0 line. Y is equal to 2 to the power b to the power x. For instance, 2 to the power x. 2 to the power b to the power negative will be small number, smaller, but always positive. Never 0, never negative. If x is larger and larger, y value will be larger and larger. If x is smaller and smaller, y value will be smaller and smaller, positive, close to 0, closer and closer, but never touch. Therefore, x-axis is the horizontal asymptote. There is no vertical asymptote. Okay, note these four properties. An exponential function is an increasing function. Y-intercept 1, domain all real numbers, range all positive real numbers. X-axis is the horizontal asymptote.